Hello and welcome to the channel. We're out today in the Northern Highland American Legion State Forest, and we're doing the Canoe Trail 1 and Canoe Trail 2. And as you can see, we're in a different boat. I got my old Sears aluminum out today, and I'm here with my buddy Luca. We just came in off of Highway B, and we're paddling down this little waterway, and we'll be getting into High Lake here in a minute. This sign lies on the north side of County Highway B, between Presque Isle and Land O'Lakes, Wisconsin. Just to the east of this sign lies the High Lake Boat Launch on the south side of County Highway B. This sign marks the subcontinental divide. The waters to the south will flow the direction we are of our trip today, starting in High Lake and flowing into the Manitowish River. Beyond the Manitowish River in our trip today, the waters flow into the Flambeau River, Chippewa River, and Mississippi Rivers on their way to the Gulf of Mexico. We got 3 lakes we're going to go through today. That's High Lake, Fishtrap Lake, we're going to go through Boulder Lake, and then in between some of that will be in the Manitowish River. Those might be loons.
That's the baby?
The one that's barking?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. So we're in the narrows between High Lake and Fishtrap Lake. Kind of a swampier little channel. All sorts of lily pads. About to go under a road here. I'm not sure what road it is. I'll put it down below. And out in the Fishtrap Lake. This is one of the many campsites along this canoe trail. They're first come, first serve, and they're free to use. So we are now through Fishtrap Lake and into the Manitowish River. And shortly here we're gonna take a little stop at one of these campsites so you can get a view of it and probably get a snack for us and some water and all those good things.
I think that's all bog back there.
Yeah. You want to run out there and see?
No.
Okay, good, because I didn't want to either. So that point up there, kind of where those narrows are on the left side, I think that's where the campsite is.
Oh, okay.
There should be another creek that flows in, which is hard to, I think it's probably gonna be hard to tell just by like looking at this stuff out here.
Sure.
I think it's Johnson Creek. So we're at the confluence of Manitowish River and I believe it's Johnson Creek. Coming into one of the campsites, and it's campsite MR12. Okay, let's go take a look. Nice picnic table. Good pile of wood with the fire pit. Nice old red and white pine stand. It's out on this point, so get some air. And back over here is a trail to the toilet. Let's go see what that looks like. This is your view from the thunderbox or toilet. I guess it could have been a snapper or something too.
No, maybe some fish. I would have done it with some water.
You know, it's funny. You think as a kid, oh, the fish are gonna bite me, and everybody says, oh no, the fish are never gonna bite you. And then you have to see your first northern or muskie, and you're like, yeah, tell me that fish ain't gonna bite me. And it's got teeth designed to hold its prey in. So this section of the river meanders quite a bit. I'm sure it's going to add a few miles to what I thought this trip was going to be.
Level's going up and after killing all these trees?
Yeah, it's a good possibility. Well, so a bunch of those look like black spruce, maybe. If they are, we've had spruce budworm, and that's killing a lot of our spruce and some of our fir. I mean, it's on its downward cycle at this point. It's not killing as much stuff, but we've got a lot of dead stuff from it.
Going into a forest, and then this swampy thing opens up. Oh, this does look a little narrow.
Doesn't look that shallow.
Say what?
Doesn't look that shallow. And there's the dam. Yep.
Really?
See, there's even a portage sign on the dock, back into the dock. I thought the pipe was gonna be able to grab it and slow you down before you hit it. Start going left. If you need to set it down, just let me know. Huh? Yeah, through those rocks. So that was Fishtrap Dam that we just crossed in the end of Canoe Trail 1. You can hear the water coming over the spillway from the dam behind me. And then we are on the start of Canoe Trail 2. And this looks very, very different already from anything we've gone through. So, and we got moving water for the first time. Wasn't expecting this to be so weedy. Okay, we're coming up to County Highway M, just north of Boulder Junction. About to go underneath under the road here. So we made it into Boulder Lake. So now we just got to cross Boulder Lake and back into a short section of the Manitowish River to the dam, and we'll take out of the dam, and that'll be end of Canoe Trail number 2. We still got a couple miles left because we got to go at least 2 miles, I think, across this lake. We're getting there.
You good? Must look sore, but it's a good sore. Hey,
What? There is no dam at this location, as I mentioned earlier in the video. The river gets shallow, rocky, and has an unrunnable rapid before it flattens out. That's why at this location there is a portage where trip 2 ends and trip 3 begins. For some reason I had it in my head that trip 1 and trip 2 were somewhere around 12 miles in distance. After checking the map, we found that it's 14.2 miles. However, I remeasured on Google Earth, and due to the meandering river, it is actually 14.4 miles. I'll place links down below in the description for not only the map of the river sections or different trips, and for the Northern Highland American Legion State Forest website. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Till the next video, see you later.